Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I am so glad you're joining me today. I am bringing you a project that I made from the wax melts from Craspire. Craspire is an awesome online company. They sell the supplies to make these envelope seals or wax melts, and they also have some other crafting supplies. I will put their link in the description box below so you can check them out. I have a coupon for $5 off of your $40 order, and that is Maria5, M-A-R-I-A, and the number 5. And they also have free worldwide shipping on orders of $50 or more. So please do go check them out. They're an awesome company with great customer service. So before this video, I went ahead and made these wax melts. I have some other videos showing exactly how I do them. These are the little pieces of wax. You can buy an assortment of all kinds of colors. They have every color you can imagine on the website. This is an assorted pack. It has some pastel colors, and these are the colors that I used to make these wax melts today. I also used this little furnace that I had gotten in my first order from them, and a little tea light candle goes in the bottom. You light the candle, and you use one of these little spoons, and you set the spoon on there. You put a few of the wax melts. I used about 4 or 5 to get this size. And this is the stamp that I used. They had this oval one, and I thought I would give it a try. It's brass. It's quite heavy, has a real wooden handle, and the handles do detach if you wanted to store them separately. They have some sets that have one handle and several heads, but this one is the roses on an oval pattern. They also have round ones. For example, here is a flower, and it's round. That's the most common. They have some square ones as well. But I saw the oval one, and I thought I would give it a try since it's a little different from what I already have. I also ordered this pack of cards from them. There are, I think, 6 different designs. I showed these in greater detail in my unboxing, but they're really pretty, and they have gold foil on them, and it's this humongous pack, and each one of them comes individually wrapped in plastic, which is so nice. They would be great for gift giving, and I thought I would embellish them to show you what you can do with them. Also on the wax melts, as you can see, the flowers are colored in. I went ahead and used these markers that I got from Craspire. They're metallic permanent markers. I showcased them on another video, and you can see how they look on light and dark paper. They're really fun to use, and they work really great to color the raised image. I hope you can see that pretty good on camera. They were really fun to make and really fun to color in. So let me set everything aside and go ahead and decorate some of these cards. Okay, so here we have the 6 cards that they sent. They're really pretty, and I will go ahead and decorate some of them, and on some of them I will also use these little wax melts. I think I'll start with this one. It says good luck, and that looks like a really fun card to send to somebody. I have some of this fun glittery tape, And I think I'm just going to add a little bit of it. It has these hearts. I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the bottom of the card, just to add a little bit of glimmer. This is self-adhesive, and it's, like I said, a glittery tape. There really is no glitter fallout with this tape. And I'm just going to set this across the very bottom. And then just trim off the excess. And just that easy, you have a decorated card. So pretty to send to someone. You can use any kind of trim that you happen to have, and it just kind of gives it a little extra bling. Of course, it's pretty on its own, but if you wanted to add a little extra bling, it's that easy. I thought I would do the same thing on this card. It says thank you, and it has the gold on there. Same type of trim. I have this one here that's kind of the green color, and I thought it would go great with this card. And that just adds a little bit of glitter to that card. Super easy. So then I have this thanks card, and I have some of this gold metallic or gold glitter ribbon. And since the cards have gold metallic, I thought this ribbon would be perfect. So I'm just going to cut a piece that is the same width of the card. And I think I'm just going to adhere this like that. Get my adhesive and put it on the back of the ribbon. And then I will trim off the excess. And I'll be using a glue dot on the back of the wax melt to hold it on. Now, if you know exactly where you're putting your wax melts on your project, you can just put the wax directly onto the project and then stamp onto it that way. I like to make a whole bunch up ahead of time and then do something like this to use them as embellishments all at once, or have them on hand for when I need or want them. So we have that thank you card. Then we have this happiness card, and I think I'll kind of do the same thing. I think I like that layout there. I will trim this ribbon and do the same thing here. Put the adhesive on the ribbon and adhere it to the card. I will use a glue dot again to adhere the wax seal to the card. Then I have this card, and I like the way this wax melt or wax seal looks with it. And I think I'm going to just put the ribbon across the bottom this time. And then this card, I have this really big green one. And I thought I would cover up the sentiment on the card. Not that it's a bad sentiment, but just to show you that you don't always have to keep the exact sentiment on the card. I have this felt ribbon in my stash, and I thought it went really, really good over the top of that card. It matches perfectly. So let me give this a trim. And I'm going to place some adhesive right on my card. And I'm going to line this up. So this large floral piece is right over the couple and the word love. And if there's any adhesive poking out around it, it peels right off. And then when I place this over the center, it will hide the couple and the word love. And I will use, I think I'm going to use 2 glue dots on this one. There we go, and that's how that card turned out. So these are the cards I made using the wax seals with that oval seal stamp. That one. And then here are the other 2 cards that I dressed up with just some trim. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed playing with the wax melts and the goodies sent to me this time by Craspire. I do enjoy working with them. They have great customer service, and I do love to shop their products. Please do check them out using the links in the description box below. And don't forget about my coupon code. If you do go check out their website, please do leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know what products that you love from Craspire, or if they have something that you'd like to see me try on one of my upcoming videos. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button right down there, and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube find more videos that you would enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.